Give her what she want, give her what she need, give her what she ask for.
Give her what she want, give her what she need, give her what she asks for. When you come up short, thankful that we found each other. Are we healthy for each other? Thankful that we have each other. How are we helping each other? Fell in love for the wrong reasons. I fell in love for the wrong reasons. Didn't think ahead, essentially misled. Eventually started cheating. Eventually I started cheating. Lord willing, God fearing. Thought I was put here to absorb women. Thought I could do me and then just move on. Told her, get over me and move on. Thought I could do me and then just live with it. I ain't value myself like that though. I ain't love on myself like this yet. I think back and it's so much weight. Reflect on all of my growth. Still the same me. Wanna fuck on all of these hoes. And I want all of that dough. Ready for all of that smoke. Thankful that we found each other. Are we healthy for each other? Thankful that we have each other. How are we helping each other? Give her what she want, give her what she need, give her what she asks for. Come up shout, she finna lead. Give her what she want, give her what she need, give her what she asks for. When you come up shout, she finna lead. I'm in town, just not around. I could be round to bust it down. Tryna get you everything that you asked for. I might hit you up for half. Let me do that math, baby. Alright, I'm good, I'm solid. Got me and you for now. Is we a team? What's up? Thankful that we found each other. Are we healthy for each other? Thankful that we have each other. How are we helping each other? Give her what she want, give her what she need, give her what she asks for. Come up shout, she finna lead. Give her what she want, give her what she need, give her what she asks for. When you come up shout, she finna lead.